We are here in Pittsburgh. We just finished our visit to Monster Bash. I kind of wanted to stay, watch some more movies, but my family were like, let's go down to Squirrel Hill, get some pizza. I was in my car. I just got a new tire on one of my tires, but I didn't think to check all the tires before we left. When I got in my car, tire was flat. I have a pump. I filled it up, made it a couple of miles, but filled it up again, and then it went down all the way flat. Maybe we can go look at the tire. I can show you guys this tire that went flat while we're here, coming back from Monster Bash. So here's our flat tire, all the way flat. We're waiting from the nice folks over at Angelo's Towing to come and bring us a tire. Did I flip that back? But Pennsylvania, as opposed to New York State, everybody's friendly. I spoke to a tire shop, and we should be getting a tire. Now we are showing for this episode My Son the Vampire, which is a British film. So they're in England. Not only they drive on the other side of the road, but they spell tire with a Y, I believe. I don't know if they still do that, but I've seen some old books that did that. So here we are, sitting in the rain. I don't want there's someone talking on the phone, otherwise I'd go out of the rain. It's too hot to sit in the car. So we had a good time at Monster Bash, and we look forward to including this in our show, My Son the Vampire. So look forward to seeing you. All right, and now for the next reel of My Son the Vampire. Roll it, Igor. All right, how do I turn this thing off?